স্কুল বা বিদ্যালয় প্রত্যেকটি মানুষের জীবনের সঙ্গে অঙ্গাঙ্গিভাবে জড়িত।
হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। লিমন হোসেন বলছি, কথা বলবো আমি আমার স্কুলকে নিয়ে। সো লেটস স্টার্ট। So, my dear friends and the viewers, how are you doing all? I hope that you all are doing fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, right now, I would like to talk about our school, and the school's name is Kaliakoir Model High School. Another way call it Kaliakoir Adasho Ucca Vidyalaya. This school established on 1967 year, approximately 57-year-old ago, and there are a lot of students studying here, and the student came from Shuja, Chaskia, Kajitol, Bashuria, Jontihar, and another village. The student came here every single day for the studying purpose. And there are a lot of teachers who are teaching here, and there are a lot of classroom, and the environment is really awesome, the school campus. And also I was also a student here, my friend was a student here, so there is a lot of story of these schools. And actually, right now, you know that nowadays I live at Shavhar in Dhaka, but nowadays I came here for just a 6 day. So I thought that what if I make a video? That's why I'm making about my balance. I am making this video about this schools. So actually have a lot of things to share about our schools, but right now it's a closing moment. I mean, it's a Maghrib, before Maghrib prayer. That's why I can't speak properly, perfectly, or impassively. And I know that you don't like to watch a longer video. That's why I would like to close this video shortly. And next time I will try to talk about our business. And please see the school's campus, please. This is my school campus, and you can see around me. I am sitting here above our new building. Actually, school maintenance work is going on, and it's our tree of it's a memorable tree of our school's campus. And you can see around me, maintenance work is going on. Okay, your viewers, hope that you got it about this matter. Next time I will try to talk about you on the another video. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.